Hello everyone. Today we're going to show you how to install the Infrared Hardwired Motion Sensor. The Infrared Hardwired Motion Sensor activates the recirculation pump whenever it is triggered by motion and the hot water line sensor is below its target temperature. The motion sensor is a 4-wired switch and connects directly to the AutoHot On Demand Controller using the wire harnesses that hang external. The wires are color-coded and labeled on the wire harness. The red and black wires connect directly to the stickers, labeled Momentary Switch. The green and black wires connect to the wired motion sensor. You will also find this labeled. Some people find it helpful to just refer to matching by colors. But we have labeled everything for you just in case. The steps you take to connect the wires does not matter. Just make sure they are securely connected. You can connect up to 10 wired motion sensors per controller and can mount your activator after this step, and it is automatically paired. The detecting range for the Infrared Hardwired Motion Sensor is 15 to 24 feet and has a detecting angle of 140 degrees. You can purchase the Infrared Motion Sensor from our website, www.autohotusa.com, or find a local sales representative in your area, which is also listed on our website. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube video channel or give us a call at 866-495-2734.